Welcome back to ApexTrend.ai. Today, I'm walking through December 10th research observations. It's not financial advice, it's purely research into how certain technical patterns behaved historically and how similar setups perform the next day. Later in the video, I'll show you how a couple setups did better than 2 and 3% the following day, and also one setup that did not work out, so you can see both sides. The setups we're going to look at today were first identified by our LightGBM pattern engine, which analyzes thousands of historical examples using 1-hour candles. We use 1-hour candles because they smooth out the intraday noise that you might see on 1 or 5-minute candles, and instead they capture more meaningful trend behavior. After the LightGBM model identifies a potential setup, it's then reevaluated using the contact scoring system. As you can see, that is a combination of the RSI, ADX, EMA, pattern flags, and the score. So this helps narrow down setups to truly better setups. Well, let's go over the daily results. Again, this is research only, not trade guidance. If the scoring was an 80 from December 10th, the next day we saw 1 out of 2 of those go up. If your score was in the 70s range, we saw 7 out of 9 hit a next day high higher than the research price. If the scoring was 60, we saw 11 out of 13 hit a next day high that were higher than the research price. So the majority of higher scoring setups continued their behavior on, especially in this 60 to 70% score range, which had actually been the most reliable ranges recently. Okay, so we'll continue the December 10th research evaluation we did here with Ford. That was flagged right about that point was the 130 candle, and that's the 230 candle. So right in here is where it runs, and the LightGBM engine picked up an upwards trend, identified potential Heiken Ashi structure candles, excuse my pronunciation on that, and then also the rising EMA slope. So the next day, we move out to the 11th, Ford opened up about 2%. Where's the opening? Right here. And it continued upwards that day to hitting roughly a peak of 3.8% higher than the research observation point. So if we go on and look at JPM, was a really good follow through. That was also identified between the 2 candles right here at 2 o'clock candle. So it picked up, the LightGBM picked up a good pattern score, and it put that on our list, and we decided to look at that stock. It moved forward the next day and opened up and hit a high of about 3.6% return. So then on the other end, just so you can see that not all of the setups that are identified by the LightGBM engine work, same time frame, we identified an upwards trend on BABA or BABA, but that one ended up opening down the next day and slowly started to come back, but did not reach a high after the research analysis. So even though it does have a pretty good score, as we could see from accuracy on predictions of strong setups, that is not always correct. So using the 1-hour candles, this LightGBM engine, and the contact score we see down here has really helped improve the clarity of this research. You can sign up for a free trial at ApexTrend.ai, and once again, this is research only, not financial advice. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to see more like it, please like and subscribe. Thank you.